So, before we get started, I have a little thing that you're going to actually participate today. So, we're going to see how you do in following directions and how loud we can be, okay? So, the game is this. When I say the word, or any version of the word, mine, I want this side to say, ooh. Can you do it now? Right after they get done, this side is going to say, ah. So I need a big ah. Good, we're following directions now. Right, remember the key word is mine or any version of the word mine, okay? Very good. Glad to have you all in our minds today. Are you ready for paper? We're going to have an explosively good mind. You're going to have to excuse all the puns today. There's going to be a bunch of them. So. I'm your minor foreman today. Pretty good. And I work for Robotic Industries. And I have my better half is actually going to be my assistant. She's the assistant miner. She's going to help me with paperwork. This is working out better than I thought. So, we start everything off with safety. That's very important. So, with that said, there's in mines, there's a whole canary in a coal mine. So we don't have any canaries here, but we do have alarms. So if an alarm occurs and you have to evacuate the gym, the exits are the ones that you came in over here to my left. Well, we have one failure already. And then we have two more additional exits at the back of the gym, so file out in an orderly manner. Also, restrooms, if you need to, they're going to be where you came in these two doors. The men's room is to my right, and the ladies' room is over here to the left. Mine. We're also very honored to be back on the campus of Davidson High School. Record-shattering.
They're actually training the game right now.
There's a problem.
They're
the mind is far too dangerous for humans. Consequently, the mind was decommissioned years ago and has since fallen into disrepair. Initial evaluations of mine have revealed 5 lucrative materials at various depths beneath the surface: coal, iron, aluminum, copper, and lithium. What shall we do? Should we look for the ruby slippers? Your guess is as good as mine. Well, BEST has released a request for proposal, also known as RFP, to prototype a robotic system that can repair the mine and retrieve the valuable commodities below. Since the winning company will be awarded, the winning company, that's a Freudian slip, by the way. Since the winning company will be awarded the contract of running the mine, BEST will be evaluating the companies themselves as well as the prototypes they create. Their project documentation, i.e. the notebook, sales presentation, the oral presentation, company exhibit, your booth, as well as their company culture and business ethics, that's spirit and sportsmanship, will be considered. Much like the real mining industry, success in the design competition will be determined by net profit, and you will be direct compensation with your competition with your opponents. Also, the market values, this is key now, also the market values of the commodities will change over time. So you may have to adjust your priorities mid-contest. Good luck and happy mining. All right, I need 8 people on the field. We're ready. Are we ready to see this thing? Mr. Matt, who is going to explain some things about the field. Now, before we get into that, there's a few things I'll tell you about later, more in detail, because I know you're excited. We're going to discuss how we're going to dig everyone up in your packages. You've got a color and a number. That's going to be significant, so make sure you have that for later when I tell you about it. But that is how we're going to organize you coming down the field, looking at it, taking measurements, taking pictures, all that good stuff, and also to pick up your kits. So listen for my instructions later. It'll be important to make sure you have your number and your color. Those are going to be important. So with that, I'm going to turn over the microphone to Ms. Matt, Head of Operations.
So this is all self-explanatory, right? You don't really need anything. You know everything? Got it?
It ain't worth it.
Alright. For the duration of this, you don't necessarily have to worry about the oohs and ahs, so I'll probably actually say word mine quite a bit. So this is on the chat. There are 4 separate chats with multiple levels. You'll start out at ground level. This is where you come into the mine to get into the robot. Will start. Your robot will start at ground level. And right here, your robot will have will deposit all of the commodities that will actually be collecting over the course of the match. Within ground level, you have a spare parts rack. And a spare parts rack here with a fresh new replacement air filter and a piece of pipe to repair a broken pipe in the mine. The air filtration system is busted, lots of toxic chemicals and dust everywhere, so you have to repair the mine if you want to, otherwise it's going to be dangerous. It might be dangerous for anyone trying to go to the mine, that's the option to repair. You have the option to repair the air filtration system. There's also a leak in a broken pipe within one of the sublevels, which we'll get to in just a moment. You have the option to repair that as well. So at ground level, this tunnel are a bunch of pieces of limestone aggregate. They're worth points too, not very much, but enough to just kind of represent the things that you're not necessarily going after a finisher, but something you can use to get some extra money. These are worth 50 points. If for whatever reason you actually knock them over, that's fine. You can pick them up and take them back and put them into your storing locations. Here, where we have a couple of large pieces of PVC pipe, this is the air filtration system. This is where you will actually attempt to place your replacement air filter to keep the air inside the shaft clean. It has to be fully within that, so it can't be partially and partially out. It has to be completely within the air filtration system's work. Inside, this is sub-level 1, gone down one level into the shaft. So you're actually underground here. So these are walls here. You can't do anything past these walls. These basically represent an infinite tall wall. There are coal, pieces of coal, loosely stuck to the ceiling that you can attempt to remove and, I'll use that word again, to acquire, which you can use for points. You can't actually touch these until they're actually off of the top of the ceiling. But it's very, very unsafe. But your robot can easily knock them all down so it can then collect them. So that's basically just a piece that you can move that makes all of the coal fall down. So these are coal pieces. We'll talk about it a little bit more later. We actually got one piece of this for every team. We'll use that as collateral. When you come back and get your stuff, your wood pipe, you'll return your straps and they'll give you a piece of coal. Also, within sub-level 1, there's an iron deposit here. Full, chock full of fresh iron. You attempt to collect and bring back one of the other commodities. You can try to push it as you want to, but you don't rip up your robot. So, if for some reason you don't want this, or you already know what you want to do, you can traverse through another tunnel to get into the sub-level 2. If you say anything about this, this second tunnel is pretty much right after the board. Just most of you know is maximum height to fit the robot. But at an angle, you might not be able to fit the robot exactly where it's fine. That's by design. When you're in sub-level 2, you are even deeper into the shaft. Here, by whatever random coincidence and good fortune, the previous folks that were attempting to acquire commodities from the shaft left the cart here full of copper. The wheels just rusted off of it. So you can attempt to do whatever you want with this cart. You can down your ground, or you can get out, you can use it to do other stuff. You can take this, and initially this counts as basically carbon fuel. You can manipulate it. There's more reason why I said this point counts. Under here, there's a bauxite or aluminum ore area where you can attempt to collect pieces of aluminum ore for mining. And another piece you can collect to attempt to earn whatever money or points you want to earn throughout the course of this contest. But when you're done with that, assuming you don't want to do anything to take it back where you need to go, you can go even deeper. You get another tunnel through which you may traverse to get to sub-level 3, into the center of the shaft. This is basically full game for every team. All teams coming in. As far as ground level, sub-level 1, sub-level 2, only your robot can take this section. All robots are allowed at sub-level 3. In here we have a spodumene tower. Has pieces of spodumene that you can collect for points as well. We also have core samples for those that are wishing to attempt to check to see if there's anything else you might want to attempt to acquire from this shaft. We have 3 different options of these, which must be acquired and returned all the way back to the ground level where it's stored. You can have more details on that. The interesting thing about this area, you could have as many as 4 robots interacting in this area at any given time, which can cause problems. And you're touching each other, perhaps actually blocking talking to each other, there is a section in front of each particular color's entrance or tunnel through which, if an opposing robot is within what's called this return box, you have the option, if they're trying to block you, whatever the case may be, you have the option of tagging them, at which point they have to leave that box within 5 seconds. There's stipulation on that, using community rules. If they can't, they can incur a penalty. If they can, they need to go about the business. So there may be an issue where they're trying to get stuff, so you don't necessarily have to worry about that unless it's blocking you for whatever reason. But the cashier, this tunnel is only 20 inches tall. And even smaller than the restrictions on the southern tunnel. So you have to remember that if you're trying to go through the tunnel. So pretty much everything you can do to score points, you have to get everything back through all these tunnels to the ground level. Except for to replace the pipe. Within sub-level 2, where the vertical pipe is basic station where it exists, so you can repair the pipe, replace the pipe on top of the vertical pipe. And repair that, that's what comes as well. Pretty much everything else, you need to grab it and pull it back over these scoring pins. The lines on them are actually scored by placing it back into the starting box of the robot. Everything else, you have very specific bins. Your commodities will only score if they're in the correct bins. Now, hoping I remember this correctly, we have one bin for coal, one for iron, one for aluminum, one for copper, and the last one is for spodumene. The items don't score unless they're in their specific bin. That's pretty much it for a general roundabout explanation of the game. Oh yeah, thank you very much. The core sample, if you have 3, you can only score with one of your colors. You have to somehow reverse these back through the tunnel. You can't let them pass over the walls. Back through the tunnels, and you can place these on your spare parts back. Only one scores, but you can still bring some of these on back just to prevent other people from getting forced. Whatever strategy you come with that, that's up to you. If they go there with the school, it must be fully scored by certain parts back to actually. And let's see. That's about it for the general explanation. The MC mentioned something about the market shift. And that's where things get a little hairy. If particular commodities start getting overmined or undermined, they can increase or decrease in value, making them worth more or fewer points. That's important. We have to keep track of that. Now, the seeding rounds, seeding matches, it's all going to be the same. But the semifinals, the media market shift, will have to tell you everything we calculate. There are formulas with the rules, so let's go through your guys. So try to keep track of it on your own, try to anticipate what the change is going to be. You can go through all the calculations yourself, otherwise it'll be announced, of course, in your finals. But the particular values of these commodities may go up or may go down. So who may like one particular reason, percentage goes to that, and everyone's going to do that, everything will become worthless. So just be mindful of that.